Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are doing a full relaxer and cut on my salt and pepper client here. And I'm going to show you guys what happened to her hair as we did the relaxer. So let's chat. When you are gray and you get any form of chemical service, even environmental changes, the hair itself can turn yellow, which is exactly what her hair did. It wasn't because we did something wrong. It wasn't because of anything that I could have prevented. It's just something that happens with a chemical service. So I neutralized her after relaxing her. And then I took some violet-based color shampoo and I painted it on her hair. Now, you don't have to paint it, but I feel like I get more pigment when I paint it on first. And then I go through and just kind of rub it in. And then I use a comb and comb through it. So this is how you also remove yellow from salt and pepper, you guys, regardless if you're natural or relaxed. But how good that shampoo is going to be dependent on how well that yellow comes out. So I allowed the violet shampoo to sit on her hair for about 5 minutes. And then I came back and rinsed her out. So in the meantime, I'm allowing that violet pigment to really diminish that yellow. Will she have to do this over and over again? Yes, you guys, because guess what? If she puts any form of heat to her hair, if she goes into the elements, she swims in a pool, anything, it can always change the color to yellow. So that's just a very common thing when it comes on to salt and pepper hair. So that is how we were able to get that yellow out. So if you guys look at her hair now, it is not yellow any longer. It has a violet tinge / like a bluish violet tinge. And as the time goes by, guess what, you guys? She'll have to continue doing her violet shampoo to keep her silver and white or salt and pepper nicely salt and pepper. Okay? So I just wanted to show you guys that part, and that's the reason why I filmed that part of the video, because I get that question from you guys all the time. What do I do when my hair turns yellow, or why does my hair turn yellow? It can turn yellow from anything, you guys, and I just showed you guys exactly what to do. Now, the shampoo that I use, you can actually get it on Amazon. That shampoo is made by a company called Pravana, Pravana, and it is called Perfect Blonde. There is another company called Fanola. You can use theirs. They have no yellow. It's so many different ones. The world famous one that is really easy to get is Shimmery Lights, but I am not a fan of Shimmery Lights. I prefer the Pravana Perfect Blonde, and it works really, really well for me. I got it to really do what I needed it to do within 5 minutes. Okay. So now it is haircut time, you guys. As you guys can tell, yes, she is fully relaxed now. And her hair is really long compared to when she came. You would have never thought that this was going to be the length. So what I'm doing now is cutting her hair down. She wants a pixie cut. She wanted something that was easy to manage. So this part of the process is just kind of standard. Now, I want you guys to take a look at her hair. Most people will look and say, oh my gosh, so how do we get her hair to thicken up? How do we get it to thicken up? Well, she has fine textured hair, you guys. And this is what I say whenever people ask, how do I get my hair thick? Well, the first question I want to know is, what is your texture? Because if you tell me that you are fine textured, sometimes that's actually not an option, you guys. If she had this same amount of hair and it was coarse or medium textured, she would have a full-on unpartable afro, okay? But she is fine textured, and that is just what God blessed her with. So really all we can do is give the illusion of fullness. She actually has the same texture of hair that I have. But on top of that, she is more mature in her age. So her hair is also more mature in age. And I'm not saying that she isn't missing any hair or she doesn't have any thinning anywhere. But to be quite honest, you guys, she is fine textured, salt and pepper. So it is going to literally look as though she has no density to her hair. Excuse me, which is very true. But you'll notice that as time goes by, as with shortcuts, you get it's really easy to give an illusion that you have fullness with a shortcut. And one thing I will say, with a fresh relaxer and fine textured hair, we always look bald head. So Just believe me. It's coming from a person who knows. I do not like to relax the crown of my head. This is the reason why I don't like to relax the crown of my head, because I feel like you can literally see my scalp, and my hair is in the healthiest state that it has ever been since using my own products and taking really good care of my hair. So her next relaxer of her crown won't be for about 8 to 12 weeks, while the side and the back, we will definitely relax it a lot more often, because as that area grows out, that area will not lay down or do anything that functions well until it is fully relaxed. So now I'm using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam to mold her hair down. Guys, no matter if she's salt and pepper, she could be orange, she could be pink, she could be purple. The Elite Silk Wrap Foam is made to lay down the hair, or you can also use it for your twist outs. You can use it for your wash and goes. You can use it for almost anything. It just basically is going to help you with the formation or the foundation, laying it in the direction that you want, or just kind of like making it more sleek and smooth rather than frizzy or fuzzy. Okay. So now I'm just laying her hair in the direction that I'm going to be styling it. Foundation is everything with shortcuts, you guys. And you guys see I am very adamant on how my mold is. I want my mold to be so sleek, because if the mold is messed up, I feel like my entire style is messed up. So just keep that in mind when you guys are doing your short style molds. And then I want you guys to take note. Look at her hair. Do you guys see any yellow? I see no yellow. No yellow here. Why? Because we did what we did with the violet-based shampoo. They also have violet-based conditioners, you guys. So you can get the shampoo and the conditioner. The brand or the quality of the shampoo and conditioner for this particular purpose definitely matters. Now, for those of you wondering why I put those end papers on her hair, that is to hold the hair down while we're under the dryer, so that her hair can mold and lay nice and flat. Now, the iron that I'm using is the H2 Pro Micro. There is a link down in the description box for this iron. It's a 3/10 inch iron. The link that's in the description box is my Amazon store, you guys. So that is an affiliate link. It's not the actual Elite Hair Care store, but all of our Elite Hair Care products are actually available on Amazon now, and they are available through Prime. So you guys definitely can find us on Amazon by searching Elite Hair Care USA, Masters in Hair Care. That's what our name is on Amazon. And then I didn't really spray a whole heap on her hair. I did not put any frizz tamer on her hair. Reason being is because she is fine textured, and when you have a fresh relaxer, her hair is literally going to grab the smallest amount of product. So be careful how much product you put on your short style, especially when you are fine textured. And then when you have a fresh relaxer, you definitely want to be careful, or even be mindful of how much you put on your hair, because the hair is in its most relaxed state. That's why it's called a relaxer. It's laying. But listen, I want you guys to comment down below on this slayage with these, listen, the curl. Yes, you guys. All right. So please comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about this style. Tell me what you guys thought about her curl. Tell me what you guys thought about her cut. I thought it was just beautiful. She loved it because she wanted something easy going. She wanted something different. And her hair just, I love her color. I just love her color. So I think the next time she comes in, I'm going to make it a little bit more violet, because the violet will last a lot longer the darker it is. Now, I'm not going to make her purple, but the violet will last a lot longer if it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to give her that hue of a slight lavender color, which I'm really excited about. Anyway, after this, you guys, all she has to do is literally put a scarf around the sides and the back and go to bed at night. She can, with maturity, sweating, whatever. She really has no worries at this point. We made it nice and short. And then I did leave just a small amount of length in the front, because she did have a sparse hairline. And I didn't want it to reveal what was going on in her hairline. We're just going to allow it to grow out. So that's another reason why I directed the style towards her face rather than directing it down near her ears, or down the side, should I say. Other than that, you guys, there is really nothing more that she has to do to this, other than on her wash day, it'll be like hair repair and growth shampoo, hair repair and growth conditioner, violet based shampoo, most definitely. That's something that you use over time. whenever it's needed, kind of like a Band-Aid on the boo-boo kind of thing. And then she's done. So I just love the way her hair came out. I'm sorry. I love salt and pepper, especially with shortcuts. But like I said, you guys, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to jump over to our sister channel, which is Elite Total Body Care, where we talk about everything in regards to skin and body care. And I'm glad you guys stumbled upon my video if you're new to my channel. Other than that, you guys, for the products that I spoke about, please visit EliteHairCareUSA.com and you'll be able to find our products. Can't you tell by her reaction? Her reaction tells it all. Slay it! All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.